Today I'm going to talk about center marks, sectioning, and aligning dimensions. First thing, as far as your final product, it should look something like this with sectioning and with align views and all that jazz. So I'm going to delete all this just so that you guys have a fresh slate. Delete, and I'm going to delete this view. But the whole point of this is for you guys to be able to see how to do a couple different things. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is the center marks. Second thing you need to do, or the first thing you need to look at, is up here inside of annotate and inside of your center point. So I'm going to select center point, and all you got to do is select an outside of the circle, and that circle is going to be selected and show the center point so that you can dimension it a little bit clearer. Let's say I want to do an angle dimension or an align dimension. So I'm going to click dimension and say I want to angle or show the dimension from this point to this point. And what it's doing is it's locking into the vertical and the horizontal. I don't want it to do that. I want it to click an align. So I'm going to right click, dimension type, and click align, and what it does then, it follows that piece. That's a little sloppy way of doing it. So the last piece, and as if I look over here, is the sectioning piece. I want to make sure that I have an ability to cut this piece. So I'm going to go to place views, section. First I need to select the view I want to section, and then from there I basically tell the view what I want the knife, so to speak, to cut into the part. So this is the path of the knife if I wanted to cut into a piece. I press continue, and then I align it over, click, and then that'll show you if I were to cut this piece in this along this line, what this piece would look like. And now I can go in here and annotate and dimension my depths rather than dimensioning hidden lines like I told you the rules were not supposed to be followed. And that is it for today.